Hello again, welcome to today's attempt of a connections game, 16 clues, and we have to divide them into 4 connected groups of 4. Now, there's loads of 2-word phrases here, or 3-word phrases in some cases. That tends to make it easier, because there's fewer different things they can refer to. We'll see if it works out that way today. If we follow up, touch base, reconnect, and check in, those are all the same thing, aren't they? And check-in is next to baggage claim, but I think it's a red herring for a group about airports. Yeah, reach back out. So we're not going to have check-in and carry on and check-out lane and baggage claim, although maybe we are. Maybe there's enough other airport things. Or maybe it's just things that go round and round. I mean, that goes round and round, doesn't it? An assembly line and a checkout lane go in a straight line. So maybe it's just these 3 that go round and round. I'm not completely convinced by that. It probably is checkout lane or assembly line as well, but I'm not quite sure which. A social norm, an unwritten rule, a convention, and a custom. Those are all synonyms. They're just the way things are done. Okay. What about the last 2? I mean, if it is these 3, then what are the other 4 going to be? Something can be pretty loosey-goosey. It can be a bit of a carry-on. I'm not quite sure 2 of the others fit that pattern. As in a bit of a to-do, a bit of a scrumash, if that's the right word. But yeah, I'm not sure there's 4 that quite go like that. So what are we going to do instead? Is there anything to do with the words? That starts with carry, that's got loose and goose in it. Is there anything along those lines? Okay, what else can we do? Can be tailor-made. I mean, I really feel like it's going to be these 4. I'm just really not sure what it's the other 4. Maybe I should try these. Oh, it's one away. Okay, so maybe it's an assembly line instead of a checkout lane then. That's also one away. Oh dear. So maybe it's both of those and not El Nino. They're places with conveyor belts specifically. Yeah, okay, so it's not about circles, which is why I took El Nino out. So what on earth links these 4? They start with name homophones. Do they? So Lou, okay. Taylor, fair enough. El? El Nino? El Nino? I've got no idea. Is it just El as in short for Eleanor? And then Carrie. That is that like Drew Carey? Or Cary Grant? Cary Grant? I'm not quite sure that works in my accent, and I'm a little bit confused about El Nino as well. That's a bit of a weird one. I said it was something to do with the names, but I'd never have got that, so I'm glad I eventually got the blue group correct. That was a tricky purple group. But we did solve the puzzle in the end. Annoying to get a couple of mistakes in the middle, but yeah, that was not a straightforward pair of groups at the end. But let me know how you got on. Thank you for watching, and bye for now.